I'm on a road to 500 subscribers, guys. Kindly help your girl by subscribing to get all the celebrity juice and gossip. And remember to subscribe is for free. So love is in the air between Big Brother Titans housemates, the very handsome Juicy J and the lovely, flawless, beautiful Yvonne. They were one of the participants who went on to start a cozy relationship during the show, and they just look so beautiful together. On the evening of the finale show this past Sunday, Juicy J came with flowers to surprise his love interest, and he swept her off her feet. Yvonne screamed as she saw Juicy from a distance coming towards her with flowers and a gift. For those that are not aware, this was the first season of Big Brother Titans, and it featured contestants from South Africa and Nigeria. Day one Big Brother Titans fan favorite Khosi Twala went on to win the show against all odds this past Sunday. Juicy J and Yvonne fans went on to make them trend yesterday as they shared pictures of the couple. I'm gonna also attach a video of cozy moments shared during their time in the Big Brother Titans house. Kindly like this video and subscribe to help my channel get to 500 subscribers. And remember to subscribe is for free. Also leave your thoughts in the comment section below. See you on the next update.